Hello, and welcome to Tech Corner, hosted by Nude Computer Guys. My name is Alex, and today I'm going to walk you through how to update apps on your iOS device. So in order to do this, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and go to the App Store. So you can swipe from the top, kind of the middle of your screen down, and you should pull up Spotlight and go ahead and type in App, and then you should see App Store. So go ahead and click on that, and then from here, you're going to see a little icon in the upper right hand corner. It should be hopefully either an image of your face or just your Apple ID icon. Go ahead and click on that. And from here, you're going to see the list of apps that are already installed. So in order to see whether or not you have any further updates, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to kind of go to the top, and you're going to kind of want to hold your finger and kind of swipe down until you see this little spinning cursor. Once you see it, go ahead and let go. And then, after you see it disappear, if you go to the bottom, you're going to see all the different apps you might need to update. So all you have to do is hit Update All if you want, or you can select specific apps, and then they will go ahead and update. Now, one thing to note is if you are on a cellular plan and you have limited data, I would recommend connecting to the Wi-Fi in order to do this. Otherwise, you might use up the data on your cellular plan. If you found this tip helpful, feel free to provide a thumbs up. If you're interested in additional content, feel free to subscribe to our channel, and look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you so much.